guys, it's Friday. Time for a pack opening. I got the Victini. Boom. Let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, I got 2 pans. I actually did two openings in one time, but that video is gone. I don't know what happened. But anyway, so I'm going to save these. These I'll give away later. But let's open this up. This. Need help with this one. Need to rip it all apart. There we go. Toss that over there. 20th anniversary is gone. Pull this out. There. What you? Alright. Ooh, just fell out. Get a third one. I'll keep that. Give away the 2. Now let's look at the Victini card. Oh, it's really nice and colorful. Alright, I'll fold it in here. Just a code card for you guys today. The Victini collection. Tell me what you get. Comment. I'll also fold it. Fly away. Ooh, in the Generations pack, we got a Venusaur and a Charizard. Let's see. I guess that's a fire type, so we'll leave Charizard last. Let's get into the Venusaur. Alright, woo! That was a nice little opening. Keep that forever. Not really. Wobbuffet. Cloyster. Red card. Duo. Slowpoke. Energy. Ghastly. Reverses a Golbat. Aw. Altaria. Hollow. See if I get anything good. And the trio. Put that to the side. At least get a promo. Victini. That's a plus. For the card pack, that's only $12 for 2. That's not bad. And a pin. Still an awesome savings. Awesome deals. Let's open this up. Come on, Charizard. Give us some luck. Ooh, another nice opening. Got energy already. Surround me. Give me all the power. Come on, Victini. Give me some power. Shroom Rich. Red card. Pokemon Lady. Leave. Geo Brohomi. Pikachu. Caterpie. Reverses a Krabby. Ooh. Gardevoir EX. Bow, 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 bow. Damn. Look at that EX. I don't have one of these yet. Look at them. They're all like, Bear. And a Hitmonlee. Oh, nice. Damn, that was pretty successful to me. Let's go. We got this hollow. Flying in a fluffy card. The Victini, of course. And a Gardevoir EX. That was a nice pull. Alright, comment, like, subscribe. You can win one of these pins. Win 2 pins at a time. I might give a third one if you guys are friendly. But thank you. Thank you for watching.
Stop now.